Now that we have installed Ubuntu, we need to be making it a little bit more convenient for us to copy between the operating system that we originally have and, for example, an Ubuntu terminal. So in order to do that, we log in into our image. We now need to be finding something that we call insert guest edition CD, which is under devices. Under Windows this will look slightly different. And we just simply press run here. We type in our super user password. That's the one that you used for your account creation. And now the guest edition is being installed. It's building certain modules in. This allows you to, for example, share files between your native operating system and the virtual machine. And this, as you can see, takes a little while. So now the guest editions are installed. In addition, we want to configure our input devices. Go under devices and go shared clipboard. We say bidirectional. This way we can share the clipboard between our guest operating system and the VirtualBox image. And drag and drop we also do bidirectional. So you can choose naturally different settings dependent on your preferences. Here we have, for example, the ability to share folders, as you can see, and this is you can create folders on your operating system and browse to them. So I'm not currently doing this, but this way you could be accessing your files, maybe JarRef that you have already, folders that you have already from your operating systems. But it's as simple as using Git and just use Git directly within the VirtualBox. So let's just cancel this one. And the one important thing is now we have activated this thing, we have to actually reboot the machine. So now let's find the reboot thing. Here we have shut down, for example. So let's shut down our operating system. And there's a restart option. Now we can restart it. Now our image is being restarted. So I type in my password. And I'm logged in. Now what I can actually do is I can resize the image, and through the guest edition login is clever enough to do the resizing for me. So now let's do the following thing here. I have, for example, let's just start a terminal. And this may be different on your computers. If I'm going in here now on an Windows, on an OS X machine, I may want to copy this line here. I do the command copy command, but in Ubuntu this is, I believe, Control-Shift-V. There we have it. So this means Control-Shift-V copies this into the operating system. Now let's copy something out of the operating system. I say Control-Shift-C for copy, and then press Command-V in my other window. Now you have an easy way to copy between the operating systems your text. That means you can use the browser of your original machine and copy information from your browser into this terminal window without using the browser within the virtual machine, which may be slower than the native browser. Now we have completely configured our virtual machine. So now what of the next thing we want to do is we want to actually add new programs to it, and I will be explaining this in the next video. Thank you so much.